Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Chris here with the trades. I'm going to go over four stocks that I'm looking at for the week ahead for longs, uh, stocks that I'm looking at for short term gains, possible long term holds of my vast list of tickers that I look through on a weekly and daily basis. Only four for me are meeting my criteria for swing trades long for the week ahead. Obviously, the market's been all over the place. Huge sell off over the last few weeks, then it bounced back up. Still looking incredibly weak, right? It still hasn't broken up into these lows here. Certainly on the this particular indicator would indicate that we'd have some downside to come. I got these lines here marked off on SPY. These are lines that I put in place about a week or so ago when it was looking like we were about to crash. Actually, it's been there a bit longer than that, but these were my buy points on this push down. So uh, the four tickers that I'm looking for. First one on the list here is Molson Coors. These plays, I should say, these are stocks that meet my criteria for trades long. I'm looking at first and foremost stocks that have good fundamentals, that look good for long term holds, that look like they should be moving up in price. Then I'm looking at the chart here. For example, looking right now at Molson Coors, looking at the chart to see a pullback in price into some level of reasonable support for the long. As you can see now, Molson has come down, hit some support, double bottom down into here, did push up. So we're looking for a continuation play. I am at least. The risk is a little wide because we have to take it down to about 6.5%. But I am looking for a move up into these highs here, 3 or so percent, start taking some profits, certainly up into these highs. Probably be my greedy target for a trade long. Again, this is a continuation play. It did already find support and bounce. So if it wants to keep on running, I'd be interested in going with it if it goes up in price. Next one on the list is the good old McKesson. Again, same sort of deal as Molson. It found some support here, bounced last week, and is moving up. It's looking like it's going in the right direction. Risk wise, depending where we open, of course, on Monday, it's wide again. Another 6-7% down to support. Um, be looking to take some more pieces in and be buying down into this level if it turns around. But truth be told, if it doesn't start moving up to early, probably this trade's not going to work and it's just going to come back down and break. So that goes for all of these, for my mind. So if it does want to move up, I'd be looking to take some profits up into this 4-5% range, and that's probably about it. Next one on the list, WR Berkeley Corporation. Again, same sort of setup as we can see. Found some support last week, pushing up. If it wants to keep going, I'd be interested in going for the ride on that one as well. Risk wise, again, 6-7%, a little wide for me. But I'd probably be, maybe taking one or two more buys small into this level here, looking for a push up into these high 7-8%. Obviously, up here it just rejected, so that would be some natural resistance, big time. Even up into this area, would probably not be looking to push it up through here, but up into this 5-6% range, you'd be looking for some profits. And last one on the list here is Pilgrim's Pride. Very similar. Found some support, bounced, came back, found some support, bounced. I'd be looking to take this one up as well, up into these highs here, certainly up into this 5% range. Be locking in majority of the profits to these highs, perhaps. That'd be the greedy target, risk wise. See, it is a bit wide, and it really could go either way on this. So I'm just gonna have to wait and see. For all of these, I think I'm gonna wait and see where we open on Monday. If it looks like we want to, find some natural support around Friday's close and it's going to move up, okay, I'm interested. If it just bottoms out, I mean, it's a toss up at that point. Be a buyer into this risk range, sure, I'd be interested in that. But if it doesn't hold, I'd be looking to get out quick. The risk is a little wide. Just the nature of the market, size down. Happy trading.